everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this early morning video, taking pictures with my Google Pixel 7. Regular shots, night sight shots. Comparison in what this smartphone can do in this situation. That's one of the areas that Google was bragging about, was how much better your night shots are going to be, photos in the dark. So I decided that you could come along with me and take some pictures with me as a team, show you how I do it. I find an area where I see something that's worthy of a photo. Well, at least I see it that way. You may not, but it's to at least give you an idea, if you don't have the Google Pixel 7, what it can do in this type of situation. It is 3:19 in the morning and there's a lot of traffic out here. A little more than there typically is. There's a couple areas down here that I actually like that as a photo. Damn, got it before the light turned green. And that right there is what I call the slingshot photo. It's like you gotta, bam, get it done. You know what I'm saying? You literally gotta just, I'm at a red light, there's a car in front of me, I see something that I want to take a picture of, and I got seconds. And the Google Pixel 7, in combination with myself, got it done. I'll take a picture of this right here. This is usually a good photo. It's pretty dark right here, so we're gonna go back to camera, white, shoot, and then we're gonna switch down to night sight, white, shoot, and that's a 3-second photo. Sometimes it's a 2-second photo. Sometimes it's just a quick 1 second because there's a lot of light already out there. By the way, I am using the Google Pixel 7 Pro to shoot this part of the video. The photos obviously are going to be from the Google Pixel 7. I'm going to come up here and take a photo of this wall around the corner here. I got to get over here really quick. There's no traffic behind me, which is really cool. This is kind of a pretty lit area. My camera, go into the camera app there, and point and shoot. I'm going to switch it up to night sight, and bam. Nice. Okay. So, pretty sweet graffiti piece. Pretty simple as far as the lettering, but I like it. Yeah, I appreciate you hanging out with me. Just basically getting a look at what I do when I'm out and about taking these night shots. So you can see without night sight, with night sight. Now, when utilizing Nightsight, it's about reducing blur. It's about sharpening the image. The software that's integrated into the camera is going to choose a short exposure or a longer exposure, depending on what's going on out there. If it's pretty bright out there, it's not going to be a very long exposure. If it's really dark, it's going to be a longer exposure. It's going to bring in a lot more light. Okay, that's the obvious. Now, just in camera mode, not Nightsight, camera mode, you want to turn off automatic, because the camera's still going to brighten up that picture. It's not going to fully represent what's going on out there. So I turn off automatic just so I can point and shoot super quick when I'm doing these type of tests. Switch to Nightsight, the camera software is going to automatically choose what it feels it needs to give that picture, whether it's a longer exposure or a shorter exposure, or you can actually play with that. You know, if it chooses 2 seconds and you feel like you need 4, you can just guide that little area up to 4 seconds. Okay, you can just play around with that. You want to still keep the picture as realistic as possible to what's going on without enhancing it too much. If I see 5 seconds and I don't think I need that for myself, I will reduce that to about 2 seconds. You know, you don't want 3 a.m. to look like 7 a.m. is what I'm trying to say. So. And that's it, folks. That's what goes into a night in the life, taking pictures in the dark with all of my smartphones. And I really enjoy it. I really have a lot of fun doing it. I really want to just give you something to go on and what these smartphones can do. Google Pixel 7 definitely gets it done. If there's any questions, please ask down below in the comment section, and I will do my best to get to you as quick as possible. But I can't stress enough the safety factor in all of this. Stay in your car. Do not get out of your car. Picture is not worth your safety. 100%. And with that, I'm going to take a drink of my Mickey D's coffee. Huge shout out to Big Dog for putting out a vlog and drinking some Mickey D's coffee during his vlog. Nice and cold. I'm digging it. All right, everybody. I am out. Thanks for riding along with me. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed it. It's not the most glamorous time, but I have a lot of fun doing it. I drink my Mickey D's coffee and listen to music. And I take pictures. I do turn down the music when I get into an area where I'm taking a picture. Again, that's part of the safety. With that, God bless you all. Peace. Stay safe and healthy. I am out.